Well, we come back again to the lessons on Wednesday and Thursday nor Friday. So, Moses again attempt to accuse himself from the task of God. This excuse uh, given him that confronting the Pharaoh he had previously failed. Actually, when trying his own, God provides miracle in his life actually. So the elders of Israelites and Pharaoh, the staff turning unto the snake, and then back Moses' hand become leprosy. He healed despite those Moses offers. And a fourth excuse, he is not a good speaker. Well, God respond Moses from his excuse with the powerful solution and uplifting the promise. God sends Aaron to assist Moses finally occupies us, and he seek the Jethro blessing before departing Egypt. So then we go to back to the lessons of Thursday and then the Friday. This passage discuss about circumcision. God attempts almost remove Moses because of his young son has been not uh, has not circumcised, but through the obedience of Zipporah his wife, and were praying, asking. Then the Lord has shown his mercy. Finally, actually, why this circumcision are happen is a symbolize between the bloods. Yeah, that part of covenant. And the story teaches about the importance of obeying what God wants Moses' life. May it be also our lesson to obedience, about obedience to the Lord, and neglect not